Here we can see that the yellow path at Abergorlech, one of the walks, has been blocked due to fallen trees. Many trees down. Right next to the Gorlech river down there. There's one block in there, two block in there. And as we go down, you'll find the path is covered in fallen trees. Oh, this one's completely covered it here. There's one here. Let's have a look here. This one's fallen right across. And then when we go here, it's just 4 or 5 trees down. Somewhere under there is a path, but you can see up here, storms of this just here alone has blocked it. The path goes along and there's much more trees down.